Alright, this is the beginning of day 3. Actually midway through day 3. This is my daughter's room. The wood around the window, all replaced, all around, all the way up. Top. And all the way around. That is the only damage in her room. You see the top plate is all, that was good, nothing had to be replaced. So now we'll go into my son's room. Bottom window replaced, bottom stud replaced, all the way up. This is pretty much the same video as last night. They added some more wood there. And I'll spin out here. Don't be cursing now, I got the video going. Up top, there's the door, there's the frame, there's the new plywood. That's all finished. All new wood.
Right there is 32.
All new wood, sistered
Might have to put a piece in down there.
in the living room.
Okay, but I still think that's good. Let's throw a board in just to see we get it.
All the wood is done. They're replacing insulation.
It won't. Better not.
And drywall is next.
Oh, you're gonna sit there. Okay, gotcha.
See, we're gonna
That's it.
run.